Good morning. It is Saturday, March 1st, and I'm kicking off March with a hike. I have been wanting to come to this hike for a while, and I just hadn't made it out. So today is the day. I came all the way to Fremont from SF, and I'm going to be doing the Mission Peak Trail. I actually had to park super far. It's quite crazy how many people are actually here to do this particular trail, I guess. I really didn't expect it. I thought it was more low-key. I had seen it on TikTok though, so I don't know what I was expecting.
In terms of how many people would be here, but there's a ton of people. It's my first time in Fremont. It is really, really pretty here. I just like the vibe of like hilly, like hillsides, like green hillsides. Like I love mountains too, like straight up like rocky mountains, but I do like plush looking Teletubby hills, and that's exactly what Fremont feels like. So I'm about to get off the car and I'm gonna start this hike off. I'm gonna apply some lip stain first before I get out. I have a protein smoothie with me that I picked up from Sidewalk Juice in the city before I left. It's kind of watered down now.
Be hard to hear me because it's pretty windy up here, but I made it all the way to the peak. I didn't take a picture up there because there was literally a line to take a picture or to take pictures, and there was a lot of groups who hiked together today taking pictures, so I just made it to the top and then I came back down. But it was really, really nice. I'm gonna share what the total mileage was on this hike today. After the hike, I went home and I had a ticket to see a 𝖤.𝢼 performance in SF, so I headed over there. Okay, so I'm gonna make some chicken nuggets before going to bed because I cannot go to bed without eating more than what I ate today. Is this about full? This better not. Okay, so brand of chicken nuggets. This brand of frozen waffle cut fries. Please don't tell me anything negative about these brands because I'm gonna be sad. Like I love these. Okay, I'm not gonna have that many fries because I feel like I'm gonna get full. This is the first time in a long time that I like put on a full face of makeup, and I'm like kind of obsessing over it because I usually just do tinted sunscreen, or I have been for a really long time, and or just don't wear makeup at all on weekends. But I am wearing makeup today, like actually like a full face. I'm wearing the e.l.f. CC cream. I believe that's what it is.
The camo CC cream in fair 120N, which might be like neutral. Oh wait, it has sunscreen in it too. Okay, cool. I'm wearing that, and I just like, I'm kind of obsessed.
Okay, so it's Sunday now, and I am prepping my proteins for the next couple of days. I have 4 bone-in with the skin chicken thighs, and then I have 2 trout fillets here, and I'm pretty much gonna do the same marinade. I stick to the same thing, so you can just look at the process I go through.
Okay, so essentially the marinade is lemon juice, soy sauce, rice vinegar. It's also some onion, garlic, and the seasonings include Cajun seasoning, oregano, dry oregano, as well as some cayenne pepper, which I add in the end, and I don't believe I actually got any footage of me doing that. So I do that, and then I let it sit in the fridge for as long as I can before popping it into the conventional oven. Usually, oh, and I also grate some ginger if I didn't already say that. And it just makes it taste super delicious. But what I do in order for the marinade not to burn alongside the chicken is I don't add all the marinade into the pan when I'm cooking it. I add the rest of the marinade halfway through the cooking process so that the agave in there isn't just burning.
This is typically what post marinades look like.
While that's cooking, I just take my vitamins. Recently, I've been incorporating Shashandra. It's been about 6 months of me doing that. And then I take my collagen tablets.
It's 6 pills.
I then go outside and have my favorite snack right now. And then my meal prep is ready, and it was so bomb.